Good morning, guys. I'm here to share with you some basic information about Pangil. And Pangil is a fourth-class municipality in the province of Laguna, Philippines. And according to the latest census, it has a population of 23,000 people in 4,000 households. Its land area consists of two non-contiguous parts separated by Laguna de Bay. And did you know that Pangil is politically subdivided into 8 barangays? And now, let me share to you the history of Pangil. Pangil was founded in 1579 by two Franciscan missionaries. The town's name is believed to have come from three coincidental circumstances. One historical version was that it was named after the fang of a wild boar called Pangil in the vernacular. Another version accounts to the first native inhabitants of the place called Pangilagan, and the third version relates about the place being once dominated by the first pre-Spanish chieftain named Gat Pangil. And once again, thank you. Back to you guys.